What's up, fellas? So, just chilling in my crib and just, I thought I could share with you something. Yeah, for those beginning to use, just starting up their Photoshop. I'm going to do this video. Well, you want to do a little makeup. Sometimes there is no color that you want, but you realize that the lipstick you're wearing is not matching your dress, and you went for a photo shoot. You've taken a lot of photos. So let me show you how your photographer can fix all that for you. This is how. Duplicate the layer. Just name it as new appearance. New appearance. You don't want to feel weird posting your photos. Okay, that's it. So just go ahead and make sure that the new appearance layer is selected. Hit on hue, the adjustment layer, and just select hue and or saturation. Then use the eyedropper to select the color that you want to change. So I want to change the color of the lipstick here and the lips as well to purple, or maybe something close to that. So hit on that, select the color, and just use the hue scale to drag it right there. That's cool. Okay, you realize that as I'm dragging this one, the color is changing like all over the photo. So we are going to fix that too. Okay, so I'm gonna use that hue at 43. Okay, you go ahead and select your eraser tool, and then erase those parts where the color is spread to. So just rub it very well. Okay, there we have it. Now you can see the difference between the original photo and our final result. So I hope this video helps you, both the makeup models, photographers models, and the photographers as well. So you don't have to feel very weird. You can always fix all of these just with Photoshop. So I hope you love this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. So see you. Let me get some nice comments right there and share the video so it reaches people like you. In less than 3 minutes, we have done a good job. Now you can see the difference. That was the initial photo. Now this is the edited photo. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and see you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. See you next time. Bye.